Students, welcome to Excel Tuition, and this is the part 2 of geography lesson manufacturing industries. Now let us go through some question answers. Answer each of the following questions in not more than 15 words. What is manufacturing? Answer: the production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable products is called manufacturing. What is agglomeration economies? Many industries tend to come together to make use of the advantage offered by the urban centers. This is known as agglomeration economies. What are agro-based industries? Industries based on agricultural raw material are known as agro-based industries. Example: cotton industry, sugar industries, and so on. Why is weaving highly decentralized? Weaving is highly decentralized to provide scope for incorporating traditional skills and designs of weaving in cotton, silk, zari, embroidery, and so on. Why does weaving supply low quality fabric in India? Weaving cannot use much of the high quality yarn produced in the country. Also, weaving is done by handloom, power looms, and in mills. Why do spinners in India export cotton yarn? Weaving, knitting, and processing units cannot use much of the high quality yarn produced in the country. Why has the demand for jute products increased at the international level? Answer is: this is due to the growing global concern for environmental friendly and biodegradable materials. What are mineral based industries? The industries that use minerals and metals as their raw material are known as mineral based industries. What is the function of Steel Authority of India? SAIL. SAIL markets the steel of the all public sector under. What is the function of Tata Steel? Tata Steel markets the steel products of TISCO. Why was the cotton textile industry localized in Maharashtra and Gujarat in the early years? Answer is: the cotton textile industries were localized in Maharashtra and Gujarat in the early years because of the availability of raw cotton, market, transport, accessibility, port facilities, labor, moist climate, and so on in these states. Name some industries that are supported by the cotton textiles industry. Chemical and dyes industry, mill stores, packaging materials industry, and engineering works industry are supported by the cotton textile industry. Name some countries to which India export cotton goods. USA, UK, Russia, France, Nepal, Singapore, and Africa. Name the inorganic chemicals used in the chemical industries. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkali, soda ash, caustic soda are the chemicals used in the industries. What is the use of sulfuric acid in chemical industries? Sulfuric acid is used to manufacture fertilizers, synthetic fibers, plastics, adhesives, paints, dyestuffs, and so on. What is the use of soda ash in the chemical industry? Soda ash is used to make glass, soaps, detergents, papers, and so on. Name the organic chemical used in chemical industry. Petrochemicals are the organic chemical used in the chemical industry. The chemical industry is its own largest consumer. Why? Basic chemical undergoes processing to further produce other chemicals that are used for industrial application, agriculture, and directly for consumer markets. Name the fertilizer plant which is in the cooperative sector. The fertilizer plant at Hazira in Gujarat under the Fertilizer Corporation of India is the fertilizer plant in the cooperative sector in India. Name any two major producers of fertilizers in India. Major producers of fertilizer in India are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala. They together produce half of the total production. Why is the demand for cement industry in India? Cement is essential for construction activities such as houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, and other commercial establishments. What is the function of software technology parks? The software technology parks provide single window service and high data communication facility to software experts. What are the four types of pollution caused by the industries? Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution are caused by industries. What are the ill effects of the industries? Industries cause degradation of the environment. What are the ill effects of industry? Industries cause degradation of the environment. What are the effects of air pollution? Air pollution adversely affects the human health, animals, plants, buildings, and atmosphere as a whole. What are the major solid waste in India? Fly ash, phosphor gypsum, and iron and steel slags are the major solid waste in India. Students, now let us see some large or big questions. What are the challenges faced by the jute industries? There is a stiff competition in the international market from synthetic substitutes. Second, there are competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt, and Thailand. Next question is, why are sugar mills shifted to southern and western states of India? First point, in the southern and western states, sugarcane has a higher sucrose content. Second, the cooler climate ensures a longer crushing season. Third, the cooperatives are more successful in these states. Why is the iron and steel industry is a basic industry? First, all other industries, heavy, medium and light, depend on the iron and steel industry. Second point is, steel is needed to manufacture a variety of engineering goods, construction material, defense, medical, telephonic and scientific equipment, and a variety of consumer goods. Next question is, mention some methods of reducing industrial pollution of fresh water. Industrial pollution of fresh water can be reduced by the following ways. First, minimizing the use of water for processing by reusing and recycling it in two or more successive stages. Second, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirement. Third, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them into the rivers and ponds. What are the effects of noise pollution? First, noise pollution results in irritation and anger. Second, noise pollution can cause hearing impairment, increased heart rate and blood pressure, and other physiological effects. Third, unwanted sound is an irritant and a source of stress. How can industrial pollution of air be reduced? Particulate matter in the air can be reduced by fitting smokestacks to factories with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers, and inertial separators. Third, in factories, oil or gas can be used instead of coal to reduce